Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change gender in Honor of Kings. Changing your gender in Honor of Kings is quick and easy, and you can do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch the Honor of Kings game on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the main lobby screen of Honor of Kings, go ahead and tap on your avatar at the top left corner. Once you do that, you'll end up in your profile. Go to the top right corner and tap on the Settings drop-down. Now, from the menu that appears on the screen, click on Info. On the next page where you see Edit Card option, go ahead and tap the drop-down right next to Gender. Now, select your gender you want to change to or set to. Finally, click on Confirm. Once you set a gender, if you go ahead and try to change it again immediately, then you need to wait for 7 days at least in order to change your gender again. So that way, you can easily set or change your gender in Honor of Kings. Remember, gender change availability may depend on your account level or region. Changing the gender does not affect gameplay stats, only profile appearance and social info. So that's how you successfully change gender in Honor of Kings. If this guide helped you, make sure to share it with other players who might be confused about profile settings. Stay tuned for more easy and genuine Honor of Kings tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.